Okay, in this class we will discuss some problem. So problem 1. Problem 1 is like that. Find the weight of the copper deposited. Find the weight of copper deposited from copper sulfate solution by a current bypassing current of 0.25 ampere for 1 hour. Given atomic weight of copper equal to 63. So answer हमें देखिवा. Here question is like that. Find the weight of the copper deposited from copper sulfate solution by passing current of 0.25 ampere for 1 hour. So current I is 0.25 ampere is given and time equal to 1 hour. This is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, so it asks about the amount of copper deposited. Amount of copper deposited. Okay, so ଗୋଟେ electrolytic solutions ଅଛି, that is copper sulfate solution. ସେଠି 0.25 ampere current ଗୋଟେ घंटा ପାଇଁ ଛାଡା ଗଲା. କେତେ copper deposit କରିବ? ମାନେ first law of Faraday's electrolysis, first law of Faraday's electrolysis. Okay, answer ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା by convention. We know that what? That is here Q equal to IT. So I equal to 0.25 into T equal to 36 second, 3600 second. This is equal to how much? 25 by 100 into this is equal to 25 into 36. 25 36. This is equal to how much? This is equal to 900 coulomb. So we got the amount of charge passed through the electrolytic solution equal to what? How much? This is 900 coulomb of charge. Okay, so we can change this question like that by find the weight of the copper deposited from copper sulfate solution by passing current of 900 coulomb for 1 hour. कहीं आम आई नहीं कते आई अच्छे तुम 0.25 एम्पियर एंड टी केते अच्छे 3600 सेकेंड 3600 सेकेंड अच्छे एम्पियर 0.25 एम्पियर अच्छे. So Q amount of charge equal to how much? IT. This is equal to sorry, 900 coulomb of charge. So right now here you can write, by convention we know that 96500 coulomb of charge can deposit 31.5 grams of copper. This is the equivalent mass of the copper. Mass of the copper. Yes or not? Yes. So आमे कौन पाइल प्रथम एक क्वेश्चन रो आमे देखिलो जे एम्पियर देइछे केते करंट देइछे 0.25 एम्पियर ताको पास करा होचे गोटे घंटा पाई कोठी इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन रे से पचारुची जे केते कॉपर डिपॉजिट करियो सो आमे एठी क्यू टा बाहर करलो अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ चार्ज इक्वल टू IT इक्वल टू 0.25 into 3600 that will give 900 coulombs. So by convention आमे सत्य का क्यू टा केते जाने गलो प्रथमे so by convention आमे जान छु 96500 coulomb of charge can deposit 31.5 grams of copper. एटा आमे प्रीवियस क्लास से पढ़िले so 1 coulomb of charge will deposit 31.5 by 9600 grams of copper. So 900 coulomb of charge will deposit 31.5 divided by 9600 that is 965 00 into 900. This will deposit grams of copper. That will how much? That will so 31.5 into 9 by 965. This will give how much? This will give 0.2937 gram. 0.2937 grams of copper. Okay. So overall questions कौन है आउ थे कही दूँ. So question is like that, find the weight of the copper deposited from copper sulfate solution. तार माने इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस रे आमे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ले जो कपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन को सी कहूँ सेठू केते कपर डिपोजिट हेबो करेस्पोंडिंग इलेक्ट्रोड रे जतबेले आमे करेंट दबा केते 0.25 एम्पियर गोटे घंटा पाए अब एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ कपर दे दिला 63 एठी एटॉमिक वेट रो आमे ए दीटा एम्पियर आउ सॉरी आई एंड दिस इज टी ए दीटा रो आमे पाई गले क्यू दिस इज इक्वल टू 900 कूलम एठू पाइले आमे कण इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ कपर सो क्यू पाइथिले आमे 900 coulombs. So by convention we जान 965 00 coulomb charge, that is 1 Faraday will deposit how much? 31.5 grams of copper. 31.5 grams of copper. 31.5 is the equivalent weight of the copper. So 1 will be deposit केते करिवो? A amount करिवो, this much amount. And 900 coulomb will deposit 900 गुणी देले बोलना पे पाइले केते 0.2937 grams of copper. So हमें लिखि परिबा by passing 0.25 amperes of current for 1 hour in copper sulfate solutions, we can deposit 0.2937 grams of copper. This is the answer. Problem 2. Problem 2 is like that 0.2 ampere current. 0.2 ampere current ampere flowing for 0.2 ampere current flowing for 50 minutes and deposit copper of 0.1978 gram. Question is asking about find the electrochemical equivalent okay. So एठी आमे आंसर या लिख परिबा दैट इज कोन देला प्रथमे देखिबा. सो करेंट केते अछि 0.2 एम्पियर केते समय पाई फ्लो करूची इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस 50 मिनिट पाई फ्लो करूची केते अमाउंट डिपॉजिट कला कॉपर एतिका करेंट एतिका चार्ज फ्लो करिकी 0.1978 ग्राम. So से कहूँ find the electrochemical equivalent. So we know that what here I will लिखी देवा I equal to how much 0.2 ampere and time t equal to how much 50 into जते बड़े जेमी घंटा एगो आवर देई थाउ कि मिनिट देई थाउ ताको सेकंड रे कन्वर्ट करियो सब बड़. ओके. So 60 equal to this is equal to 3000 second. Okay. So and W equal to how much? W will be how much? W will be 0.1978 gram. So we know that W equal to ZIT. Here Z equal to electrochemical chemical equivalent okay that implies Z equal to W by IT तो W कितने अच्छे हमारा 0.1978 gram and divided by I equal to how much? I equal to 0.2 into time equal to 3000. That will give how much? That will give 0.000329. Okay, this is your Z. Thus, the electrochemical equivalent Z equal to 0.000329. So प्रॉब्लम आउथर कही दूसरे ये प्रॉब्लम रे एम्पियर करेंट देला केते समय पे पास करती ताकू देला अपन केते अमाउंट रो कॉपर डिपॉजिट करती सेटा भी देला यस और नॉट तो से मागिला जेड मागिला इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल इक्विवेलेंट ओके सो सिंपल प्रॉब्लम एटा बेसी कष्टिया नुहे सो एटी हम आई इक्वल टू एतिक देखिले टी एतिक देखिले एवं डब्ल्यू जो अमाउंट ऑफ कॉपर डिपॉजिटेड that is equal to this much. It is given. All these three things are given in your question, and we put the formula like W equal to ZIT. Z is your electrochemical equivalent. So Z equal to how much? Z will be W by IT. So jar value geometric by putting the all the value we got how much? 0.000329 grams per coulomb. Of Z equal to 0.000329 grams per coulomb. This is the answer. Now, problem 3 we will see. Problem 3 रे कौन अच्छे how much time is required? How much time is required to pass first 18,000 how much time is required to pass 18,000 coulomb of electricity through an electrolyte if the current strength is strength is 10 ampere. Okay, it's a very simple problem. So question is like that. So here it is asking about your time, and it is given about your current I equal to 18,000 coulomb. That is, only I is given here. I equal to how much? 18,000 coulomb. And it asks about Q. Sorry. Here Q equal to how much? Q equal to 18,000 coulomb. I equal to your 10 ampere, and it asking about time. That is, T will be how much? That means how much time is required to pass 18,000 coulomb of charge through an electrolyte if the current strength is 10 ampere. So simply we know that Q equal to IT. That implies T equal to Q by I. So that implies T equal to 18,000 by I equal to 10 ampere. This is equal to 10. So here Q equal to IT, T equal to how much? Q by I, T equal to Q jagah हम बसाई दे 18,000 10. This will be cancelled. 1800. This is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minute time will require to pass 18,000 coulomb of charge if the current strength is 10 ampere. This is the answer.